Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead, and Papa and I went shopping. We went to Costco and the farmer's market. Okay, toilet paper, paper towels, sanitary products, 5 pounds of chocolate chips, bananas, 3 bags of milk, 2 cream, 20 pounds of butter, gluten-free oats, peanut butter, 2 bags of pecans, a 20 pack of eggs, I think, 24 eggs. I got 6 jars of peaches because I like them. I got 2 pork loins. I will be making sausage tomorrow. Now this was a big ticket item too. This was 100 stamps, and they are, if you buy these at the post office, they're over $1 a piece, but if you buy 100 at Costco, they're $88. So there we go. That was a big ticket item. I'm gonna put that in my pocket now. Christmas gifts. Briar, Bubba, an animal noise book, and I got him this for when he comes on Thanksgiving. It makes noises, Halloween spooky noises. So this is a Christmas gift. Mayo, smoked paprika, Italian herbs, gravel, which is an anti-nauseant, fish pills for Howie, 2 boxes of our Kirkland pain reliever with muscle relaxers, 2 bags of the organic sugar, 2 boxes of cereal, 6 loaves of bread, 2 bottles of ketchup. If I got everything, oh yeah, the bushel of peppers, aren't they beautiful? And a half a bushel of tomatoes just so I can do my garden medley vegetables. I forgot, that's molasses and that's sunflower oil. All in total. Is there anything else in that milk bag I missed? Oh yeah, 2 big 3 pound, how much are they? Oh, how much do these weigh? These are huge. 1.5 kilograms, so it's over 2 pounds of extra sharp cheddar. It was on sale and I like extra sharp cheddar. So there it is. $800. $800. It looks stacked because I got stuff on top of the dehydrator, but yeah, I'm done. I spent $749 in Costco and we came out with only 1 cart. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, now I got to get work on the tomatoes and the peppers. And tomorrow or the next day I'm doing sausage. Here we go. Oh, this was the deal of the day. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, you know what? I'm pleased, a little shocked, but I am happy with my purchases. Now I'm starting to feel more comfortable with what's going into my freezer and my pantry. The only reason I bought these, because we do have a butchered pig coming, is they don't make sausage. So I'll be making my own sausage meat. Whew, I'm starting to feel safer about winter. Take care, God bless. I got a busy couple of days ahead of me. Mwah! I love you guys.